morning students. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to create a simple JSP program in J2E. Last class we saw about how to create a server. No, same like this. First you go to the option, File, New Project. Okay, and then you have to click on Java Web and Web Application Project. So next option is Java Web and then Web Application. Then click on Next. Then enter your project name and then click on Next and then Finish. This is a way to create a project. Next our work is to create a JSP file. Then after created that project, that name you can see here in the left side panel. So now click on this web page is available in this first project. Okay, and right click on this web pages, then go to new and then JSP file. After this, enter the name of the JSP file, click on finish. This is a way to create a JSP file. Then inside that you have to create a coding. Here you have to write a design page. Two JSP file we are using. One is a new.jsp and then another that is we are using for design page, and one more we are using display for JSP. Okay, one is design, like we are going to display biodata. This is biodata form we are creating in design page, and whatever data you gave, that will be displayed in the display JSP. Okay, in design what we are giving text box and check box button, everything we are creating, that we will see in design page. Okay, so first you created one JSP file named. Here we created JSP file name is new.jsp. Here we are giving a design for our JSP page. Here we are displaying a biodata. Here we are giving that form action equal to display.jsp. Whatever input you are giving, that will be displayed in the display.jsp after you give submit method. Okay. Now what are the fields I am giving here? That is image. If you have any photos, then that photo location you can give. All the HTML tags we are using here for designing purposes. In HTML how to insert a image source equal to that image location. That is biodata means that will be a photo will be there. So if you want to insert an image, you can use image source equal to and then width height of that photo you have to specify that image, and then your name. In biodata you are specifying your name. Also in HTML what you have to do, input type equal to text, name equal to text one. This variable name only we are using to display the corresponding field you are giving as a input. Okay, text txt1 name. Okay, here we are giving name in that input box, and then age, class, and then gender name. Gender name for that if we are specifying that radio buttons. Input type, this is all HTML here. Okay, HTML tags you have to use. Input type equal to radio, and then father's name, text box, and here address you are specifying. Address means text area. Address will be a lengthy field, so you have to specify rows, columns of any number, and inside the text area you have to type the address. So okay, and then what are the hobbies we are using? Checkbox. Input type equal to checkbox. There's no restriction that only 3 checkbox you have to use. Any number you can use. What are the checkbox given as an input, that will be displayed in the display.jsp, and then course name that's given as a option will come. That's where you wish you can select any name. So this and all, like using HTML we are designing what are the options. This is our base course name 3 or any number of course name we can insert by using this option tag. So many options you can include. Okay, and then submit button, and then input type equal to submit. So to display what name you have to use, you are giving this all the values in the text box and selecting radio button. So if you want to display this particular radio button, what is selected, you have to display by using yes variable. And here what is this? Class means text 3, age where it is available text 2, and then name is text1. Now we will go to that display.jsp. Okay. Same like this, you have to create another JSP file called display.jsp. You know, in the HTML, how to create a heading table, we are creating using border equal to 1, and then table heading. Here we are using table heading now to display. First we have to give the heading, profile, name, age, what are the inputs you gave, no, that's corresponding heading. See here, this heading, no, in the display I want like this, name, age, class, sex, father's name, address, copies and all. This heading I want to display, no. So for that I am giving here th, okay. And after that I want that particular values in the next row. That is, what is the name you selected in the text box, okay, in the check box. So how to retrieve that value? Request.get parameter tx1, request.get parameter tx2, tx3, yes, text4. These are what is that variables already I told. This name we are giving, no, this variable name only while displaying we are using. Name equal to txt1, txt2, and then name equal to yes means this radio button value what you selected for that gender, and then father's name where it is available, text4. So that only I am displaying here. So text4 means father's name will be displayed. Okay, same like this you have to do all this. So then click on submit button, and then after finishing 2 JSPs you are creating, and then run this project. When you run this, that is, simply right click on this screen and then click on run, and then this in that input bar, all the inputs you have to give. After that click on submit button, and then this will be displayed, output will be displayed like this. Okay, this is a way to create a JSP file. Okay.